Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how to install Vue JS or how to get started with Vue JS in Visual Studio. So let's go to the procedures. So now what we are going to do is we have to download and install Node.js before we install Vue JS. Type like this: download Node.js and enter. And as you can see here, click this one, download, that says download Node.js. And this is the latest version. Click this button and click in set up and install, and this accept the term and policy, and this is the directory where the Node.js is going to be installed, and simply next, click next, click next, install, click the finish. So already Node.js installation is done, and let's create a folder within the desktop directory where the Vue.js packages are going to be installed. You can rename as you are interested in, and open it, and shift plus right click and click open PowerShell window. But we have to go to the browser, type like this: Vue.js installation, as you can see here, and enter, and click the quick start, and as you can see, copy this one properly and paste in the here, and enter, and the project name you can rename in what you are interested in, and simply enter. So enter, simply enter until you get 3 commands. So these are the 3 commands that we are going to run them, and cd my Vue project, enter, and the second one npm install, enter, and the third one npm run def. After this, we are going to get a localhost link, right? This is the localhost link, and let's copy it and run on the browser. Yeah, as you can see, you did it. So Vue.js installation is properly done. So let's terminate it and enter. So let's go to the, this is, as you can see, this is the directory, and the first of all, it was empty in the desktop. As you can see, the directory is within the desktop, and the Vue project, my Vue project. So these are the Vue.js packages under the my Vue project directory. So Vue.js installation is done. So let's go to the Visual Studio. Click the file button and click on the open folder. So go to the desktop because we have created the folder within the desktop, and click the folder that holds the Vue.js packages, and simply select folder, and these are the packages already we have seen. This is the folder, and under under Vue project there is my Vue project directory, and these are the packages. So as you can see here, the same thing, there is a Vue project and my Vue project. Under my Vue project there are the packages of Vue.js.